Welcome to Season 2 of Uncle Benny's Garage. Oh, hi. It's been a while. It's good to see you. I've got some great news for you. I finally finished my kitchen. This is important to me because this has been a long, ongoing project, and I'm really proud of myself for actually completing. I'd like to take a moment and point out some of the things that I did to the kitchen. It started way back during COVID lockdown, and most of it got finished, but then we all went back to work, and I never really finished the upper cabinets, a few little odds and ends, things like that. But some of the projects in this room were what made me want to start the Uncle Benny's Garage channel. And I thought they'd be great things to film and do. I didn't at the time. Now I wish I had, of course, but I can show you what they were. Joan's favorite addition by far would be the slidey drawers in all the cabinets. They're in all the lower cabinets. That one's trash cans. Storage all over the place. Makes it really easy to get to the stuff in the back. She loves them. In the extra space between the counter and the refrigerator, I made one. Comes out this way. It holds cutting boards, cooking sheets. She loves this one too. I admit they're useful, and I had a fun time making them. I didn't realize what an impact they would have on our kitchen life. They are, I think, oak veneer plywood. With the bottom it's kind of like a dry erase board. You can buy it in big 4x8 sheets at the hardware store. Makes it very easy to clean. It looks nice. They go in. So in addition to finally finishing my kitchen, we have some other big news, and that is, like the title suggests, we've made a change and things will never be the same. We found a house and we really like it. There was a lot of cleaning up, a lot of fixing up, a lot of stuff to do to make it sellable. This was a fun one. There used to be a wine fridge here, okay? And it never worked. Really, it was just a wine rack with a pretty glass door, really. So we ended up taking it out. I had to make a cabinet door and build out the rest of the cabinet here to replace the wine fridge, and I wanted the door to match the other cabinets. I don't have a big table router or anything. I kind of know how to make a cabinet door, but like I said, I wanted it to match really well. So I put off the project long enough that eventually one of the other units in this complex was remodeling their bathroom. And on trash day, they had all the doors from their bathroom vanity out that were the same doors as these. So I collected them all up. And this door is actually made out of 4 pieces of other little bathroom doors. And it looks great. Now the top, I took that non-working wine fridge and I cut it down. I cut down the door, I cut down the glass, I cut down the back. I made it shallow. And lo and behold, ta, 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 wine drawer. Now, I took the cooler part out of a little car cooler, like a little 6-pack holder that you'd plug into your car, and it has the little plate on the back that gets cold. Well, put a big plate in here, it gets nice and cold, not super cold, about 50 degrees, which is perfect for wine. Now this was another fun one. This was originally just a wall with a little shelf here, and I think we hung some pots or pot holders or something here. Then I cut a hole in it and I made this fake window, and the fake window originally had a computer screen in it. The computer screen would show background pictures of, like, you know, mountain views and different things like you're looking out the window, but then you could also play your music and podcasts and, you know, search the web and do stuff on it. It had to run off of a little Chromebook that sat on a shelf over here, and you had to relog into it every once in a while, and it had some little computery type issues. One being that there was a speaker up above behind the curtain, and it was supposed to run off the Google, you know, hey Google. But a Google Chromebook doesn't actually run the full version of the Google Home. So it would work if you talk to the speaker on the laptop, but it wouldn't work if you talk to the speaker in the wall. Good job, Google. But I thought someone else isn't going to want to mess with the whole computer thing. In lieu of just making it a wall again, I got a little closet light back there and just made it into a fake window, and you can do different stuff with it and stuff like that if you want. But it's fun. New people will probably cover it right up. The light in the ceiling used to be like this one, just a flat something up there, whatever like that. So I took the thing out and I finished off the opening in the ceiling, put these little LED flat lights up there, did a little crown molding. There's a gap above the crown molding, which I kind of like the look of. But more importantly, it's pre-wired in case I was eventually going to put some little LEDs or something up there that would match the under the counter lights. Opens up the kitchen great. Whoa, look how much room. Yeah, that was part of the project, to retexture everything. It was big. And when you're trapped in a house during lockdown and you got the whole kitchen plasticed off, it's a lot of fun. There were other projects I've done to the house that I decided to leave for the new people, but there's some stuff I had to take out. In here, this is just a little bathroom. It's under the stairs that go upstairs, a little half bath. We had in here a circus tent mural painted on the walls and the ceiling, and there was circus memorabilia in here. There was a train. Oh yeah, it was a fun place to poop. It was a strange journey. If you've ever bought or sold a house before, you know what a relaxing and stress-free ordeal it could be. And then on top of that, after we finally closed, Joan had a little mini tour. She had 3 or 4 cities she went off and worked in, and I was left to my own devices. Did I get one of those pod moving containers? Did I rent a truck? Oh no, I'm a man and I own a pickup truck. And I said to myself, hey, I don't care how many trips it's gonna take. I am gonna haul all of this stuff in my truck. 20 years of stuff plus the garage, a whole house. It's taken me a couple of months, which is why there hasn't been a video. Uncle Benny's garage. There was so much stuff. This is it. You know what? I had a lot of frustration in this garage. It was small, it was cramped. The whole place, I complained about a lot. But I lived here a long time, and this place was very good to me. I had a lot of fun here. If you would like to own Uncle Benny's garage, contact Pete Contino at Simply Vegas. Simply Vegas Realty, realtors, houses, something. I don't know where he works. We'll figure it out. Last piece of the workbench. Now, on to the big question. Do you want to see the new garage? Are you ready? Are you ready to see the new, awesome Uncle Benny's garage? Ta, 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 ta. We're not exactly settled in yet. But this place is awesome. Here's what it looked like before all the junk. I have started moving in a little bit. We've got some of the workbench up. I got a couple of lights. We got things. We got a toolbox. It's all going to get better. We got a lot of projects. We got a lot of things going on. We got house stuff. We still got trailer stuff to do. We got a ton of garage stuff, plus all the dumb things that I want to do while I should be doing those things. You know, it's just about a year since we started Uncle Benny's Garage. And now we're in a new place. I'm just going to call it a season 2. Welcome to season 2 of Uncle Benny's Garage. We got a lot of great stuff coming up, and I hope you stick with us. As always, thanks for watching. Are you ready? Are you ready to see the new... Hold on, there's a car.